Hello guys, welcome to our video. This is Winnie Andra and Winnie Callie. Okay, so and we are duos. So my cousin's just not talking because she doesn't know English. So yeah, I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna play Brookhaven because it's my favorite game and I want it, but I want Swing Tower, but yeah. Eating Jollibee is actually so boring. So, okay then. Hurry up! I'm trying to go play! Okay. Now I'm gonna play Roblox. I think it's the 125 video of me. So yeah, okay, this is is that the prototype? Oh my, oh, where's the prototype? Ew, why are you farting on me? Ew. Okay, this is my character. Look, I'm so gorgeous. Love you. So I was so gorgeous yesterday, so yeah. So oh my god. Why does the prototype no?
Ay, go na kayo, girl. Masuklay na, sis.
I
Tulungan
don't
mo na sila ng Ethan maglinis, sis.
I don't wanna go.
Sis, tulungan ko na.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm not please.
Magkano pinayad na ka? 50 lang, di ba?
Hey, there's a fire, there's
50 lang naman daw.
So I'm gonna make a house, okay? So I'm just gonna
50 lang
Hey,
naman.
no. Mama! I'm gonna change my clothes because I'm gonna make some accessories for me or for my cousin. Nasaan ba si Mama? Kali. Mama! I want this fish. Mama! And I think it's official. And I want this. But I really want. So cute. Kali!
Yun ba yun?
Yung buhok lang kasi.
Wait.
Uy! Uy!
Paano ako pinicture nila kagabi?
Kali, wala ka naman tsinelas!
Ano mo, kagabi pa na sinisigaw. Ate Princess, yung bini. Mama, kamukha doon ni hindi ba?
Ang suklay ka.
Yung buhok lang kasi. Kaya daw sa fire.
What time?
Kung nag-video kayo, kasi...
Nandito yung Bear Brand, ha?
I'm sorry,
Tara na,
guys.
back na!
Uy. My sleeper. Bye-bye, guys.
Pwede ba, te?
Thank you for watching.
Bayad?
Ito na 20 pa. Kaya nasaan si Kuya Art? Teka, tawagin si Kuya Art.
Yung picture tayo.
Mama, sila nga to.
Sis, tulungan mo daw sila ng Ethan maglinis.
Hindi, ganun mo na lang. Yangat mo na lang. Oh, yan. Bakit ba na nasira? Mama, para sa inyo.
Kakalik mo na lang,
Baka may pandikat din si boss eh.
Mama, para sa inyo.
Yan lang naman eh. O yan. O yan.
Bakit kami yung gatas na? Avocado.
Yung yung ginagawa natin sa Baguio?
Oo.
Titikman po.
Ano ba na kay avocado? Masarap kaya yun.
Sa ice cream na.
Papatalino yun.
Ay, totoo.
Papatalino nga yun daw.
So, guys, I'm gonna take out my back. I'm gonna switch.
Kali, yan na. Alis na kayo. Back mo na yan.
And then I'm gonna go shoot.
Ay, pa-ibak. Maiwan pa yung ano eh.
Wait. I'm gonna pick.
Hello, kuya, kuya. Nasa paradahan ka ba? Nasa paradahan ka? Papatid sana itong tatlo sa pinagpala.
Bye. I'm gonna go.